Going on, Mr. Dave here up at the house, and been clearing brush, so when the fires come they won't burn it down, but it might anyway. If the wind is blowing those Santa Anas, a blowtorch, it just blasts through everything. But so blessed to be up here. We're right on the edge of Cleveland National Forest, and I just love it. Haven't shown you my pond project in a while, and so I thought I would go for a little update here. We did get a little runoff from the last rain. Stream would start right up there. Oh, and I cut myself and I got a blister. Sorry for the blood. Start right there, and it's going to zigzag, come on down here, and then come over waterfalls down into the pond basin here. And that'd be sort of like a beachy air entrance with a step. And I got some old telephone poles chopped in half, so I'm going to make a bridge, footbridge across it. And we got about a foot of water in there maybe or so from the rains. So that's a project on the dream stage. Again, that was from the excavator my boys got me for a Christmas present. And so much potential up here to do stuff, and that's what I like to do. I like to make stuff. But anyway, this chaparral stuff right here, it is as fiery and flammable as gasoline, and I am surrounded in it. We've got forests of it down here, and so for the last 2 weekends on Saturday for part of the day, I've been clearing it out and making a more of a sparse area. And I found these rocks, buried. I haven't even seen these things. They've been in a forest of chaparral, and we have all these yucca, I think that's what you call them. They have those very prickly, pointy things, and beautiful little flowers and stuff. But got some crazy plants, rocks up here, the ancient lichen stuff that grows on there, all different colors. You can see the different black spots inside the stone. It's just we got so much samples of the real deal up here. That rock up there I never could see, but notice the cracks and stuff. Lots of good material to figure out what's going on with the fake rock thing. The barn I want to turn into a ceramic studio. That's another one of my dreams. And got to get rid of this stuff. But yeah, cleared this whole area out. And these are the trails that kind of go around the property. I got one down there, and then when I got one back here, and they've been here so long since I made them. All the rocks that I placed have got that lichen growing on it. So Mother Nature, man, she does her thing. So that wraps around the whole property. But I just tell you, so blessed to be up here. So thankful to family and friends who have helped us during my medical stuff. That has made this place really just a gift from other people helping me out. Couldn't be here without all that help. So God bless everyone out there. Help each other. Be kind to one another. And we can get through stuff. So gonna walk on down here. This pine tree was like half this high when we got the house, but it's been 17 years, so it's had some time to get big and fat. And like I said, this whole barn I want to turn into a really cool ceramic studio. That pine tree was a Christmas tree in our living room one year, so probably 9 years ago maybe. So anyway, we found out that I can chip all that chaparral with my DR mower, but it's crazy. It explodes when it hits all these hard chaparral branches. But seeing if I can avoid getting renting a chipper. But this bad boy's a beast, so the battery's dead. So anyways, gonna start this up and driving on up and put it in the shed up top, and just feeling blessed. Oh, and if you're curious, I guess one last thing, there's a boulder bunker, I call them. I actually trademarked the name. And it's just boulders it's just a fake rock structure. And I coated it with my mortar mix, and it wasn't structural yet. I needed to keep going, but I just didn't have the time and money. So it's rebar on the inside, and diamond, and had burlap on there. I guess you can't see it because it's dark. So anyways, I need to finish that out. And I might be able to with that new Graco pump. I can get some time on the weekends, cover that with some more stuff and put a door on there and we'll be good to go. So anyways, Mr. Dave out here in paradise. Loving it. So God bless you guys out there in wherever land. Thanks for watching my videos. And subscribe if you're YouTubing it right now. I mean, yeah, YouTubing it. And share creative stuff wherever you find it that's got a good vibe and a good message. So that's a good thing to do. So thanks all of you guys for tracking on my adventures. And so we'll get some more. Keep the content coming. Show you how we do stuff. But one of these days, we're going to have some workshops up here. We'll look at some of the rocks that we got up here on the hillside and examine those. Maybe do some trainings and stuff. So I've talked about that for years. The almighty quest to pay the bills is unrelenting. So anyways, talk to you next time. Mr. Dave on the rock pile. Dave Sculpt. Let's see, DaveRHenderson.com for blogs and links to other platforms, and DaveHenderson.podia.com. DaveHenderson.podia.com for stuff. And we have memberships you now can get, and we're going to have our own private little chat on some social media platforms and get 10% off discount coupon for all my stuff. And if you get it now, it's just $10 a month. It's a bargain. So anyways, have a great day. God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time on the rock pile or some other creative endeavor. Forgiving and grateful, those are the keys to happiness. Don't forget that. And get Jesus in your heart. All right, guys, we'll see you next time on the rock pile or wherever. Have a good one. God bless.